She lost her nose.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's be honest.
Go ahead and stand up. Alright. Go ahead and take a step right down here. Face the house and place your hands behind your back, okay?
Guys, stop.
This is my property.
Stop. Okay.
Ask my dad. He's coming to pick me up.
Why'd you call the cops on me?
Because he smashed my property.
Ma'am, stop it. It's enough.
Can I just have my phone?
It's enough. Sit on the steps. What's going on today?
Me and her went out, and she's mad at me. Yep.
Ma'am, I will talk to you in a minute. No, why? Why not? You're going to tell me how to do my job? I'm here to help you. You're going to tell me how to do my job. I know I am. Right, okay.
You smashed my phone on the ground because I wanted to go home.
Okay.
We came back to his house. I wanted to go home. He didn't want me to go home, so he smashed my phone on his floor.
Okay, where's your phone?
You can go find my iPhone 15. It's on his floor, smashed into a million pieces.
Okay.
Can we go look at my room?
Okay. Talk to me.
This is my property.
I gave you an opportunity to talk to me. I'm talking to her now. Stand over here. Stop yelling. Stop yelling. It's enough. Because
y'all take the man's side.
Enough.
I really just want my phone reimbursed. I just got a brand new iPhone 15.
Okay, so what led to the argument?
Me and him were hanging out in Red Bank.
Okay.
We took the bus back here.
Okay.
I got back here. I didn't want to. So he took my iPhone 15, my brand new phone, smashed it on his bedroom floor. So I crushed a bunch of Cheez-Its on his floor.
Okay.
Now here we are.
When did he throw you on the floor?
I didn't touch his face. There's not a single mark on him. There's not a single mark on me.
I'm asking you a question. When did he
Okay, well, all I hear is him talking over me.
Okay, ignore him. I'm talking to you.
How am I supposed to ignore him? That's all I hear.
Ignore him. Talk to me. When did he throw you on the floor?
Not even an hour ago.
Not even an hour ago? Okay, why did he throw you?
Maybe 30 minutes ago because I started arguing with him because I didn't want to get...
Kylie, look at me.
He's my ex-boyfriend. All he wants to do is...
Okay, look at me. Look at me.
I've been begging to go home for hours. He wouldn't let me go home. My dad's on the way. I just want to go home.
Okay.
He wants to have sex and I want to go home.
Alright, so
Please don't arrest me.
Please listen. I understand there's a lot going on right now, and I understand that you're upset. But we need to just get the facts of what happened today. So if you can just take a deep breath for me and go over it from the very beginning and explain to me what happened.
We were fine, and when we were in Red Bank, we were hanging out in Red Bank with his stepbrother.
Okay.
And he started talking shit to me and being mean to me and making fun of me.
Okay.
And then I was telling him I want to go home, and he was like, no. And he told me to get on the bus to come here, and we were hanging out here, and then it was fine.
Okay.
We are.
Okay. So now, were you guys at Quick Stop today?
Quick Stop or, like, Easy Quick?
Easy Quick, sorry. Easy Quick.
I didn't go into Easy Quick.
But you guys were there today?
I think he went into Easy Quick.
Were you there with him?
I think so. I don't fucking know.
So what happened?
Went into so many different convenience
So
stores
what
today.
happened? What happened at the Easy Quick?
Nothing. Literally, we went in and we got a drink.
Okay.
And then we walked out of the Easy Quick with said drink.
So you went in the Easy Quick?
I think so.
Okay, so because you just told me you did
me
it.
a drink. Okay, well, I thought you meant Quick Check at first.
Okay.
We went into Easy Quick next to Leonard
So
Mill Road, and then we got a drink.
Don't raise your voice when you're talking to
And
me,
then we walked out with said drink. I don't know what the to tell you, bro.
So
Easy Quick, Easy Stop. I don't know what inside of Easy Quick.
Outside of it.
No.
Outside of it.
No, there wasn't. Physical altercation meaning what? A fight?
Did you put your hands around his throat? And
No!
scratch him?
Outside of Easy Quick? No! What are you even saying?
Okay.
What? We went in and we got a Celsius!
Okay, so you gotta say. So again, man, like I told you, I don't know the facts, so I'm trying to.
my dad supposed to fucking say?
Tell me exactly what happened.
We walked into Easy Quick, he got me a Celsius, a Cosmic Vibe fucking Celsius.
Okay.
We walked out of the Easy Quick, and then we walked up St. Mary's, where we sat for like 10 minutes, and then we walked here.
Okay, and then what
And then
happened?
we got into an argument inside of his house. He threw me on the ground, and I asked him to leave 10 fucking times, and he told me no. And then decided to call my dad for me, and my dad's still on his way.
Okay.
We never fought in easy quick. I really don't know where that comes from. If we did, I would say it.
Okay. So do you have any injuries or any pain? What were you guys arguing about?
Stupid shit. I don't know what we were arguing about. Dumb shit.
Okay.
He was making fun of me in front of his stepbrother in Red Bank, and I asked him if he could not do that. And he got mad at me. And then he got mad at me in his house. I don't know why.
What's that?
He wins every time he wins. I don't care. I just want my phone. I just got that phone.
We're gonna get you your phone.
That's why I'm actually like a mess right now. I just got that phone fixed 2 weeks ago.
Alright, I get it.
No, you don't get it.
I do get it.
You don't get it because
I
you
do
have
get
a psycho boyfriend that beats up your everything.
No, I don't.
He literally ruins
Okay.
my life every week. Every week he gets drunk and he ruins my life. Every week, and then he gets to play victim, and then it's fine, right? You guys, I don't have any bruises. You
Right.
take his side, the 6'5"
Didn't you say-
man who could
didn't you say
easily
you guys
beat up
broke
a
up?
5-foot girl, right?
Didn't
That's
you guys?
fine.
Didn't you guys say you broke up?
It's just fucking retarded. We broke up in November,
Right. So
so he could
something
beat the shit out of me
something
and you'll,
broke.
right?
No, I did not say that.
Figures.
Figure all you want.
What I have right now, Sergeant, is he's claiming that today they went to a quick stop or an easy stop, and at the store, he went in, got something, came out. She was yelling at him, screaming at him. She choked him by the throat, tapped him. He's got
At the store?
Yeah, at the store. Bite mark. And he's got a red mark right here. He's claiming that there's cameras inside the house as well. She's just been trying to leave. He did admit that he did take her and try to get her out of her house because she refused to leave. He said that she threw the phone at him and hit him in the side of the head.
So also, a neighbor walked up. Sorry to cut you off.
No,
A
you're
neighbor
fine.
walked up, corroborated what he was saying before. Obviously, I let him. This started in Red Bank.
How do you
Because he was opening up. He opened all the windows trying to get in the house because she locked.
tell the neighbor?
Yeah, I talked to him.
You got his info?
I'm gonna.
I think
grab
he's
it. Okay. No, he said he's not. Obviously.
I don't know what happened in there. I'm
No,
just
no.
saying that-
Yeah, I
and
get you.
And when I saw her going ape shit on him, and him just trying to get her out,
Yeah.
I heard her going nuts and throwing shit.
Yeah.
And I said, dude, don't, because I know how shit goes.
Right.
Like, bro, stay the f- out here.
Right.
Let her do what she's gonna do. And
Yep.
if the cops come,
It is what it is.
I go, and he just leaned on it back, and he's like, I don't know what to do. They
Yeah.
think she's trash in my house. I go, stay outside.
Yeah.
What's going to happen now is we're going to fill out a bind form. We're going to be explain your domestic violence rights. You're going to be offered the opportunity to apply for a temporary restraining order. If that's something you would do, you would mark off yes.
She lost her nose
It
and
doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's be
Something to look for.
Go ahead and stand up. All right. Go ahead and take a step right down here. Face the house and place your hands behind your back, okay? We're going to continue our investigation. Just bring her in, get her set up. We'll do everything, okay?
Hey,
There's not. You can
Let's-
check me. Just take me right here.
Stop
You
moving.
can-
Stop moving.
You're going to
I
catch
wanna go,
additional
there's no
charges
point.
for being disorderly.
What the
And I
fuck
don't
am
think you really won that, so.
What the fuck am
I don't know. Talk to me with a respect and a
Oh
calm
my
manner.
fucking God, are you kidding me?
Is there anything on you?
Nope. Nope.
Very nice, thank you. It's more like it. Stop moving.
I'm not even moving.
Stop.
I'm not even moving, bitch. You just want to do that. You said I just want to push me and shove me.
Spread your legs.
I'm not moving.
Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
They're spread. Are they not?
Spread your
Are
legs.
they not? Are they not? Are they not?
Stop.
Are they not?
Stop.
Are they not? You playing with me, bitch? I'm so fucking done. I'm not moving a muscle.
Just has to search real quick.
Yeah, and she just wants to move me and shove me. I'm done, bro. Just pull my pants down. Are you done? 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 You f***ing weirdo? Are you done touching me, you actual freak? You done?
Good.
You done?
Shoes when you get it.
Yep. Let's go. Where's your car?
Where are we going? Where
To
are
the
we
left.
going?
To the left. Stop moving.
Is this not where I'm going?
Stop moving.
Is this not where I'm going?
Stop
Am I
moving.
wrong?
Stop
Am I
moving.
wrong?
Stop
Am I wrong?
moving.
Am I wrong? Am I wrong?
Yeah, you are wrong. You are wrong.
Let's go then. Give me where I need to be. Why is it taking so long?
I'm not on your time.
I'm not on your time. To be honest, I could give a suck it, bitch. Keep sucking it.
That's fine.
Step up. Yeah, you did just spit.
It's unfortunate I had to spit.
Yep. Let's go. Rack up the charges. Where you going?
Don't know what to tell you. What, you gonna f me in the ass for spitting in a cop car? I had to spit. Give me a spit cop gun. Bitch. Can't even do your own job? Open a door?
Force radio, I see. Open the door.
You're so for real right now. You're that low? You're that low down you can't even get the door open yourself? That's pathetic. That's actually pathetic. You don't got your own key, buddy? Yeah, exactly. Big ass.
Sit down on the bench.